this is Mansa. Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, happy International Women's Day for all the beautiful women and ladies over there. So everyone who is watching this video, there's nothing to do such a big things. Just go near your mom, give a hug, give a kiss and spend little time with her and tell how beautiful she is and, share some of your chota, feelings and whatever you feel like with your mother today, because it's an International Women's Day. Not only today, but every day. But today, it's just go and just wish her. So you all know this video is about what, as you have seen the title. And in previous video, I have uploaded the haul video, which is part 1 from Lifestyle and Ajio. So I'm gonna continue a little more in this video because as I've said that I need to get some of my outfits. So today I have all of those outfits. So without doing any late, let's begin our haul. The first outfit is from the Lifestyle and this is the outfit. This is actually a brown color. I do not have any brown color outfit, but this is the first outfit which I have from in the brown color. I do like the deep colors like maroon, dark navy blue, brown and all the deep colors. They really suit me so good and I look pretty good in that. So as I said, this is a single piece, a one piece which will be above your knee level, and the best thing in this is the hands. I do like these kinds of hands. Generally one piece have sleeveless or full hands, but then this is a half hands which will be till here, and at the back side you got this thin knot just to make sure that your back is perfectly arranged. And the cloth inside is actually it's only single cloth, and inside it's you didn't get any cloth inside it, and outside the cloth it's little bit like popping up, like small dashes which you got which just pops up. And overall I really like this outfit because it is perfectly fit for me and I love this outfit, man. And it's completely worth for the price because 50% off and I just got it for $3.99 and I think it's worth for this. Coming to the next outfit, this is the outfit from the Lifestyle again. It's actually a cool, pretty, casual daily wear top which is actually 499 rupees. Yeah, 499 and with 50% offer I got it for 249. The thing which attracted me in this is the buttons. Yeah, just look at these buttons. It has got 3 buttons over this side and that shoulder side. And the hands are as normal. It's not any sleeveless. It has got some text on it. Like, smiley face with a happy text like a quotation. And the cloth is really so smooth and very comfort wear also. And there's nothing like it's tight and all because it's completely loose and the size I got is small size. So those are the 2 outfits from the Lifestyle, and now I'm gonna show the outfits from the Ajio. So the first outfit from the Ajio is this one. This is the long maxi skirt which I bought. The main thing which really attracted me, which made me to buy this outfit is it's actually a long skirt. At the same time, it's completely plain. I do like this plain color tops or one piece and skirts, whatever. But plain color really looks classy on whatever outfit we wear, whether on jeans or on leggings, or they are just awesome, man. And it has got the zip at the back side, and the zip length is also too big, as you can see. You see from here to here, and at the front it has got this knot which can be tied up like a bow, and the size I've chosen is 28 size because that was the last size in it, and the MRP is 1,599, but in Ajio it has 63% off and I just got it for 592. And the cloth is this polyester which is really weightless. Whenever I do wear, I can walk comfortably without any interruption down over there, and there's no such a heavy weight and all. It's really a pretty good skirt, and mainly it looks great on black color crop tops mainly, and you can also wear a white color, but it needs to be plain. I think the opposite color for this is black, which really good great on it. Coming to the next outfit from the Ajio is this long maxi dress. Yes, this long maxi dress which is in one color. I know this is similar to the previous long skirt, but then it's completely different. That is skirt and this is the long frock, and it has got this design at the middle, like these straight lines at the middle, and at the back it has this deep v-neck, as you can see, and the hands for this is 3x4 hands. The size I selected is small size. Its actual MRP is 1,699, but due to 67% offer, I got it for 561. Yeah, 561, and it has got the knot at the back side, just in case if it is loose, you can tighten up. And it's a pretty plain color and plain black dress. Similar to that, I have ordered this black color frock. In my last video, you can see that black color shimmery kind of frock. Before I purchased that, I've seen this. But then honestly, I didn't like this black color as I lost my tag. The exchange was not done. But yeah, it is pretty good, but then it's really loose for me. I might give this to some of my cousin, but it's still good. And the next outfit from the Ajio is this pretty red colored top. It's not top, actually it's a frock. It's a one-piece frock which has got these white color boxes and a black color circle design on it. It is from the brand called Fit, and its MRP is 1,499, but due to 55% off, I just got it for 675. It is actually a sleeveless outfit, and inside it you have got the hands. If you like to wear, then you can stitch it, but I go with the sleeveless. It has got the waist tie-up with a belt loop to tighten up if in case it is loose, and I have chosen the size XS, which is 82 centimeters. Coming to the next outfit from the Ajio is this kurta. Yeah, this is actually, it seems to be like a maroon color, but then actually it is similar to deep wine red color. It is so dark, like it goes to the purple side, purple shade. The main reason I bought this is to wear for my college, for my college only. And another thing I like is this 3/4 of hands. As I said, I really like these kinds of hands. It has got the round neck at the back. Actual price is $499, but I just got it for $274 as it has 45% offer. It is a straight cut kurta which will be little bit below your knee level, and it's so the cloth. The main thing I like is the cloth. Really, it's so smooth, and it's really light on a body also. The size I've chosen is XS and from the brand called Fusion. And coming to the last outfit, this is from Ajio and from the company called Janasya. It's actually a kurta. This is also for the purpose of my college, and the main thing which attracted me is this color. I really like these kinds of colors. This is not dark blue color, not dark blue or light blue. It's mix of something. I don't know what exactly this is called, but it is similar to blue, and the size I've chosen is XS. And another reason which I really like in this is this hands. Yeah, this 3/4 hands, but this is little bit long, which I didn't like, but then I'll just fold it and I'll just wear it. And the another thing which I like is this design, which has got this cut. As you can see, this is a cut at the front side, which really unique pattern. It will be good on white leggings for your college wears, or little bit of not too traditionally but also fancy kurta wear. And its MRP is 1,199, and I got it for 432, which has 64% off. And this is also a plain kurta, and the cloth is polyester cloth, which is again smooth and light on a body, and looks very good on white color leggings. And that's it for today. I hope you all guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I do upload my video. And until then, bye bye.